Hello, hope you're all okay. Right, bit of an unboxing for you today. I said that I wasn't going to buy anything this year, but I did. Whoops. And when you see it, I just fell in love with it. I have to say the colours are lovely. Not high quality, but neither was the price. So, and this is definitely the sort of feel that I'm going for at the moment. Okay, so I had bought this out of Amazon UK. It was just under £25. And I'll link all the details in the description below, so if you want to have a look. So let's have a look. It's a Labon loose leaf paper binder, which is what it's called. It comes in this absolutely lovely box, which, you know, we could use for, I mean, it's a nice thick box you could use for memory keeping or, you know, anything afterwards. So here we go. Let's show you what I've got. Okay, so this is an A5 and it's in the Green Rhombic colour. They also do it in red, yellow, beige, in a dot, which has got a dot, and this is a ruby. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I can get it in camera. I don't think I can. But it's got a very slight sort of they're triangles or diamonds on the front of it and the back. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a bit plasticky. It's not leather. It's not, you know, fancy. It doesn't matter if it gets dirty because you could just wipe it over, not a problem. Now this actually looks orange, I think, on my screen, but it's actually more of a tomato red, if I'm honest. And this is like a duck egg blue. It's absolutely lovely. I love it. They do it in an A5 and an A6, and they also do it with the elastic and a popper. I've got a few planners with poppers in, and that strap that sits there seems to get in the way a little bit. So here we go. Now I'll be honest with you, I have opened the inserts that came with this, purely because I couldn't wait. I couldn't help myself. I really want to have a look. So the inside is like this piece here. It's like a velvety, and then there's plastic, and it's actually really, it's plasticky, but it's quite floppy, and I really like this. 2 pen loops, which, as you can see, it's not a really thick planner, and they are offset, so you could put 1 pen straight down, or you could put 2 pens, and they probably wouldn't clash. I'll have to have a play with that afterwards. But as you see, it does come with a pen. Okay, so this is, it's a gel ink pen, Office Mate 0.5. Baddie Pay. Oh, I don't know. Ballpoint. Black. Nice pen. Feels nice. It's got a nice feel about it. So that's the pen. It came with a today transparent ruler, which I really like. I'll get to the inserts in a minute. It's got a back pocket, one all the way down, one this side, which is all the way down. This one, this small one at the front, is all the way down, and then this one is separated into 2, so it's about that big. Now the rings aren't huge. The rings aren't huge. I'll just use this one. So I'm reckoning that these are going to be, I think they're 20 centimetres. they're not the huge big ones, so you're not going to be able to get it full pack. But I don't want that. I want something that's fairly compact, because if I have big rings, I stuff it, and if I stuff it, it's just can't find anything, and ooh, just annoys me. Having said that, my motor is big rings and I love it. So the inserts then, let's have a look at those. The paper quality, it's thick. Listen to that. It is lovely. And this one started in 2019, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so it goes up to 22, and on the back of these annual ones, it's got the 12 months. I'm not quite sure what's going on with these boxes, I have to say, because you've got a small box and then a big box, so I'm assuming that that whole section is for November and December, and you write the date in of what it is for November and December. You don't have a box per month. Not sure. The year on a page, it's got looks like Chinese symbols on it, and again on the back you've got the year. You've then got an undated 12 month 1 to 31, 6 months annual schedule, a financial summary with a health management sheet on the back, which I actually quite like, personal information, and then it goes, make plan of this year, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. I like that. I'll probably keep that and cover the rest up, might decorate it nicely. And then it's undated. I love an undated planner. I'm using a dated planner at the moment. I'll show you that in a minute. So we've got undated months. So, and I actually had a look through, and it's a Sunday start, 12 months. Then you go into weeks, and the weeks are a Monday start. So you've got goal of the week, Monday through to Sunday, all equal boxes by the looks of things. 2 bits to put here for you can put the date in, and then water. And then at the bottom here, we are each responsible for all of our experiences. It says exactly the same on the bottom of every page. So there are actually 72 weeks, so you can start it a little bit earlier and then finish a little bit later, or do a bit of pre-planning. Then we have daily pages, and I don't know whether you can see, we've actually got times, so starting from 6 to 24, so obviously 24 hour, and then 4 boxes at the top here, and it's all grid, which is quite nice, and a quote from Napoleon Hill on the bottom. And there's 30 days, so if you like the layout, you could always just get some grid paper and copy it. That's quite nice, I quite like that. Lined paper, again, it's really nice. I mean, just listen to it, it's really nice. Nice big wide lines. Oh, I really hate skinny lines. Then you've got your squared paper, so it's 30 line, 30 square, which again isn't too overpowering. The squares on them aren't like too like, some squares are like really bright, and if you drew on it you could still see the squares up. I quite like that. And then you've got the plain paper, which says free notes at the top, and you've got 30 address. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't use address sheets. I might use one address sheet, which I put my passwords on or bank details or something, but there's no way I'm ever going to use 30. Obviously, some people might, some people don't. If you have an idea of what to use address sheets for, let me know in the comments, because I will never use 30 in my lifetime, let alone in a year. So those are the inserts. I may decide to use some of those inserts, but probably not. because this is my March Filofax. This is my March setup. I'm going to use this for March. So, lovely. Loved it. Love it, love it, love it. Not expensive at all. I don't think there's anything else to say, really. Okay, I will do a video on my setup, me doing this. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you'd like to see more, then subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Remember, my craft orchard, where your skills and ideas can grow. See you next time. Bye.